Hi everyone, this is Christine from the Crafters Outpost, and I'm just making some ornaments for my family and friends, and these are the ones that I have finished so far. It's just basically round circles, and I just decorated each one. I haven't finished that one yet, but these are just ones that I have finished that I will be giving away. They're really fun to decorate, and you just cover them with some paper and put the picture of the person you want on there. And they're just round discs that I have doubled up. You can buy these little paper packs from Walmart, and then you just cover them with paper. And I use punches and different things to get these kind of effects, and then I used paper doilies under here, and then some Skittles, not Skittles, Stickles, okay, and to decorate with, and just added a few things, and they turned out really cute. When I get a chance after Christmas, maybe I can make some to show you how to do it, but these are the ones that I've done so far, and I'm going to hang them on the tree, and I'll show you that in a second. So here's the ones that I made, and I was just going to show you how I just hung them on the tree. They turned out really cute. I have my tree decorated in birds. But they turned out really cute. A fun little project to do at Christmas time. If you want to make some personal gifts for your friend and family, this is what they look like. Thanks for watching.